So this is part 3 of how I made this animation. In this part, I will show you how you can export your facial animation, your body animation and everything from Unreal to Blender. So you can see we have all the textures and it is working perfectly fine, but we don't have any animations, how we can export that thing. So in this video, I will try to solve that issue. We have to do few things. So this is the Unreal viewport and we don't have any animation. So first of all, you have to create or do your animation in Unreal. So for example, we have a animation like the facial animation thing where you can capture your face thing and it will replicate the face animation, your face animation to your MetaHuman thing. So I'm not gonna go detail in the how to do that thing. So you just have to find some videos online, or maybe in future I will make one how to do that. But for this video, I will just show you the basic things. So you can see I have a level sequencer there. Just create a level sequencer, drag drop your MetaHuman there and you will get something like this. And this is a basic animation that I have. So you can see this character is kind of doing this type of thing. Main thing is you have to do all your animation, the facial animation in Unreal. Make sure it is working perfectly fine in Unreal, and then we are going to export the animation from Unreal to Blender. And I retarget the animation to my MetaHuman with the help of the retargeting system that you will get within Unreal. So you just have to find some videos on YouTube that how to do this. I will make this type of videos in future for sure, but for now you just have to do your animation within Unreal. And you can see we have the body animation there. This is the body animation and the face one is there. So I'm doing the facial motion capture thing. I don't know if it is visible. I will just go to the lid view. So you can see there is a small this smile thing. So when you do everything, just do your keyframing or whatever you want to do with your MetaHumans. Just do that thing, and then you just have to go to your face animation, right click, you will get a bake to control rig. No, not this one, sorry. You have to go to the bake animation sequence, click on this one, select your directory where you want to export your facial animation. For example, I will just leave it like this. You will get so many options there. The main thing you have to change is use custom frame rate 24 FPS, and then make sure that it is matched with your main Blender timeline. I'm using 24, you can also use this thing. And then custom frame range, we don't have to change anything. Yeah, we are good. Then just click on export animation. So you can see in the corner it properly export the animation. So if I just go to the content, you will see there is a face archetype whatever skeleton sequence. You have to double click and open this and you will see we have all the animation baked in. You can see there is a wink. It's very weird to control the camera in Unreal. Yeah, there we go. So we are baking all the animation within the mesh and then we are exporting to the skeleton, not skeleton, this animation sequence. So similarly, you have to go to your body one, click on the body, select bake animation sequence, and then also you have to export this thing like the same way. So when you export this, you will get two options, the body and the face like this. Now you are done. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click on this animation one. First body one, go to, where is that? You just have to go to export, asset action, export. You just have to select your usd.c files and then bake material options. Oh, you have to also use this export preview mesh. Then enable this, select your resolution 2048, and in this one you will get an animation option also. I think so. Where is the animation one? Okay, there is the static mesh. Convert to static. You have to make this thing 0. Okay, so you're not getting any animation option there, but I think it will export the animation also because we already baked in everything. So you just have to click on the export option and then your body, your texture, your model and your animation all exported to your USD file, and then you can import into Blender. So if you don't know how to import that thing, you have to watch part 2. On that part I show you how to do the importing thing. And now I will show you another way. You don't have to do this manual things, like you don't have to do this two separate things. You just go to your sequence, click on your BP girl or whatever, click on the export, and you can just directly use USDC file, and then you can just select your directory. I will just go to this one. I'll just rename anything, and then you can just directly export everything from your level sequencer also. So in this one, override the export range. You don't have to do this. Selection only. So if you're enabling this one, it will just export the selected object like the character only, or else it will export everything that is in your viewport. So make sure that you enable this. And we have export level option. Leave everything like this. Main route, selection only. Use payload. You don't have to use this. Just bake material and make this thing 0. And landscape resolution, you can make this thing 0. We don't need any landscape thing. And in the bake material, where is the texture changing thing? Okay, there we have the default texture. Make this thing 0248, 048, and we are good to go. Now you just have to export. So you can see there we are exporting everything. It will bake everything into one USD file where you will get your textures, your animations, and your mesh, everything in one file. So this is the most easiest, most convenient way to do your things, your animation and everything in Unreal, and then you can export it to Blender. This is the method you will not gonna find in the whole internet, I would say. If you also try to find on Reddit, they will show you the DNA plugin one. No one will show you this USD workflow, and I think this is the first video that you will ever watch about this method. I think so. Okay, so right now you can see everything is done. We are completely done with Unreal. Okay, so you can see I'm getting this one as USD file. I'm getting the asset folder also and the main USD. So basically you just have to go to your Blender again. This is the previous version. I will just create another one. I will just drag drop the main file, not main, the rename one. Do not use the main.usd one, use another one. You will get two USD files. Do not use the main USD, use the another one. I will just show you this one. Don't use, where is that, this one, main USD. Then in this one, rigging, you don't have to change anything. Armature, textures, packed, and everything is good. Import USD, and hopefully it will work. So we are having the MetaHuman there, and we are also having the animation with facial animation also. Wink, you can see there. Texture, if you go to the material view, you will get all your textures. The eye one is messed up, but you have to watch part 2 in order to fix this issue. So yeah, this is the most convenient way to export your MetaHuman from Unreal to Blender. And in the next video, not in next video, in the next part, I will continue with the series that how I made this shot. And in the next part, maybe I will show you the hair one, how to do the hairstyling thing. Then the another one, I will show you the cloth one and everything. Yeah, I will just show you everything. This is kind of a mini course. You can take this thing as a mini course. I will show you everything. Bye bye.